So for today's video, we have a little bit of a Christmas special because I'm here with my friend Alexa. You guys all know Alexa, right? She's like the thrift queen here on YouTube. And I am very, very honored that I get to thrift for her today. And we also get a little package from Alexa today. Aren't you excited?
Oh my god, I'm terrified and excited because it's like I want you to love everything, but I don't think you're gonna hate everything.
No. I will 100% love it. So we're gonna get into the thrift with me where I thrift for Alexa, and then after that we're gonna open up the box that she sent me and thrifted for me, and then you can also do the same on her channel after you watch my video. So let's get into the thrift with me and let's see what we find for her. Yay! Okay, she sent me her Pinterest board. So I went over it, I studied, I feel like I know the game plan, you know? I also been watching Alexa's videos for years, so I already feel like I know her style, and I just know when I see something, I'll be like, oh yeah, Alexa would really enjoy this. So I just feel like I can go in there pretty confidently with knowing what she'll like, cross my fingers. She did mention when I talked to her last week that she was on the hunt for more maxi skirts. That's something she's really enjoying, which personally, I love them too. I love maxi skirts. Those are like the one things I'm very, very much thrifting all the time. So I definitely want to try to find her at least one maxi skirt, and then the rest of the pieces, Alexa buys, but I also kind of want to throw a little Jenna in there. I hate how there's still snow on the ground here. Alexa's thrift with me is definitely very much different than mine. Like, I'm out here in the snow, freezing cold, got wool sweaters on, and she's probably there chilling in 30-degree weather in shorts and a tank top. Okay, so I have two things in my cart. This is the third item I'm thinking about getting, but it is a little oversized, so I am a little unsure if I should get it, but it is a hand knit sweater you can see here. So how do I leave it behind? It has houses on it. Like, someone probably spent like 5 billion hours making this. Okay, I'm back in the car. I got Alexa some things in there, so pretty good. That store is so tiny, so it's so hard to film in there, but I did pretty good. I found her a few items. I'm not gonna tell you guys that I got her the sweater. You're gonna have to go to her video and see if she got it. Go do that after my video. But for right now, we need to go to one more thrift store because we're not done. I didn't get her all the pieces yet, so off to the next thrift store, and I really wanna get her skirt. That would be nice. So for some reason I'm like super I just found a quilt. So as I was saying before I got cut off from finding a quilt, I was very set on trying to find Alexa a skirt because that's what she said, and I just got that, you know, engraved it into my brain that I wanted to find her a skirt. And I have been not successful at all. All the skirts here were all like mini skirts and nothing just like popped out to me. So I thought, hey, let's go to the fabric section, let's find some fabric, and let's make her one. Well, then you obviously saw what happened. I found myself a quilt. So you know what that means. We're making Alexa a quilt jacket. Look what I just found. Another quilt and a third quilt. I just found 3 quilts in one thrift store. So I don't think this one is Alexa's vibes. I'm choosing between this one and this one. This one has nice flowers on it. And then this one, it's more like patchwork. So all my items secured. You can't really see them, sorry. They're back there. We got everything. We did it! Okay, I'm gonna go home now. There's a big line waiting to get my parking spot. So for Alexa's jacket, I have an idea, but I'm also slightly going to wing it in the sense that I have a pattern, but I like loosely followed it and kind of just cut like very largely around there just because the last time I made it with that pattern, which I'll link down below if you guys are wanting it, it was a bit small, so I'm trying to make it more oversized, and then I'm also trying to hack the pattern a little bit as well. So do you guys think I can make this in a few hours? That'd be real nice if I could make this in a few hours. I'm now thinking I made this a little too big. I might have overestimated the extra amount of fabric I needed for this jacket. Maybe not actually. Typically, when I'm making these quilt jackets, I have used 2 patterns in the past. One is the one I'm making right now, and then another one is a free pattern. So this was a paid pattern I got off Etsy. Another one's a free one, which is a little bit more intricate because you do a collar and stuff. But the reason why I like this pattern so much is because in like 30 minutes, your jacket could look like this. So fast. But don't get too ahead of yourself yet. It's not done. I still need to like finish all the edges here and also add a little string. I don't know what I'm adding here yet, but I really wanted it to be crossed like here and then have some string where you tie it into like a little bow. I just feel like that seems like Alexa's vibe. Ugh, I had pizza stuck in my teeth that whole time. So I'm pretty much done the jacket. I got all the edges sewed down like that, got the cuff, got the bottom. We are just like flying through this jacket. But last step, I wanted to do that kind of crisscross. I'll just show you. This crisscross, so like it goes over here and then you tie it over here. So I went into my bins and I ended up finding this bias tape here. I think it's from like 2 or 3 years ago. And there's like the perfect amount here that I can just attach it here, and then Alexa can tie a little bow here and then go on her merry way with her quilt jacket. Even though I don't know how much wear she's gonna get there because she lives in California. Didn't think that through. JK, I decided I want to put pockets on this jacket. Here they are. Benson just got his teeth cleaned today, so he went under. So he's been a bit woohoo all today. Benson's definitely very angry with me because this morning I took him for his morning pee and his morning walk, and instead of going for a walk, we walked straight to the vet and he, you know, got his teeth cleaned. He wasn't too happy with me. But hey, I was the one who had to pay the bill, so I don't know why he's complaining. Didn't make him go to work to pay for his teeth cleaning. Okay, we're officially on the last step now. I now have my jacket all finished. I have the first little strappy bias tape pinned on the seam on one side of the jacket, and then on the front other side, I have the other bias tape pinned. So the quilt jacket's officially done, so if you want to go see how it officially turned out and how it looks on Alexa, we're gonna have to go to her video. But next, we are gonna fast forward a few weeks and we're gonna see what I got in the mail from Alexa now. So I have Alexa's box in here. I'm very nervous. Yeah, it's like Christmas. So you know, Christmas is a very exciting time to receive gifts, but it's also a very scary time because you're having to give gifts and we can't read people's minds, so we never know if they're actually gonna like the gift. And obviously we all want that reaction of, oh my goodness, this is the best thing I've ever seen since sliced bread. And I would love Alexa to have that reaction, but my style is not everyone's cup of tea, so it's a gamble if she's gonna like it. But I know I'm gonna like this, so I'm very excited to open this box, so. So, she said she wrote me a note. Oh, it's not wrapped. Okay, close my eyes. Oh my goodness, look at that. I have horrendous writing, so I decided to type this up. Okay, that, you know, that's a good reason to type things up. She didn't wrap it, so I saw everything. These look good. Okay, we're gonna start from the top and then work our way down. So the first thing I see here is something green, and you guys know I love green. So here is the first, oh, it's a little cardigan, a little knit cardigan. You guys know I love knit. Oh my goodness, this is really cute. Okay, let's make these try-on portions quick and snappy. So first, green cardigan. Here it is. It fits perfect. I love it. It's comfy. How I styled it now. I just have a basic brown t-shirt underneath, and then I paired it with my long maxi skirt that goes with pretty much everything. Next item. Okay. Oh my goodness. Are these cargo pants? These cargo pants. I told her I've been really loving cargo pants, so she found me a pair of cargo pants. Oh gosh, I love that. That's what I wanted, was like the tie string. Oh gosh, these are perfect. These look like great pants to sew and knit and crochet in. You know, those pants, not pajamas, they look put together, but they're not pajamas, these are them. These pants are the perfect pants. I have been dreaming about finding these pants, and Alexa made my dream come true because I have them and I love them. So now I'm gonna wear them for every single day till I die or they rip. One of the two. I'll wear them till then. We have something white. What is this? Oh, that's cute. It's a little tank top. I think this tank top, perfect for summer, so obviously I can't wear it right now, but I'll style it for summer. So I'm thinking this with some like cargo, no, with the my baggy green shorts. I have a pair and I just think they're gonna be perfect, and I wore a few outfits in the summertime where I wore like a nice loose tank top like this with them, and I did get one compliment with them, so I think it's a pretty good outfit. I'm not gonna apologize for having wrinkled clothes because it's -15 out, so obviously my summer clothes are not being ready to be worn, so live with it. But this is the outfit I'd wear with this top, and look how perfect it is. Couldn't you see me wearing this in the summertime? One, because it's nice and airy, so like when I sweat, my clothes don't stick to me, and two, it looks pretty good. Jack! It's Jack, guys. Jack came to say hi. Yes, hello. Okay, next item. We have, what do we have here? I've actually been needing more cardigan sweaters, and specifically cardigans, not like hoodies, and sweaters, just because I just like something just to put over top of me when I'm like in the house, especially when it's like cold, like winter time. So this is gonna be perfect. Oh, it's boucle too. Do we see this? So for this one, I'm keeping it super casual where I just have a nice pair of jeans on. I have a fitted long sleeve top underneath, and then I just have my brown boucle cardigan over top, and Jack in my other arm. Jack gives it 3 licks for this sweater. 3 licks out of 3 licks. So cute. This is, oh, look at this little 2000 tank top. Isn't this adorable? Man, I'm gonna look stylish this summer. Like this, like, the reason why I'm probably getting so many summer clothes is because obviously she's in California, so that's probably a majority of the things. So, you know, I gave her like all winter stuff, so she's giving me all summer stuff, which is perfect because I feel like our summer section isn't really like the bomb.com, so this is perfect. I don't know if this outfit is weird or not, but it's just something that just popped into my head when I looked at this tank top. And I just put my long sleeve kind of button up shirt underneath, and then I have the tank on top, and then I have my cardigan, and then a pair of jeans. And this made it kind of like a winter fall outfit. Is it weird? Otherwise, I would just like wear this top with like shorts in the summertime, you know? Last item. I don't remember, we had a call a few weeks ago, and I don't remember if I told her that I was obsessed with skirts and I've been wanting a long denim skirt. I don't think I did. It probably was just on my Pinterest board, but honestly, she nailed it. She got me this, I'm pretty sure it's a vintage one, a vintage Calvin Klein skirt. She found me a vintage Calvin Klein skirt. Last fit. Bam. It's the skirt. I love it. It's actually a really nice wash just because I typically have more lighter wash stuff, so this is really nice to have something darker wash. And then how I styled it. Dress shirt, sweater vest. Pretty good, right? Honestly, I kind of feel like a receptionist, but like, you know, a cool receptionist. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed thrifting and also watching me open my Christmas mystery box with Alexa. So thank you so much to Alexa for sending me all these pieces. If you guys want to go see her thrift all these pieces and also unbox the box I gave her and see what I got her, go check out her video. I'll link her channel in the video down below. But that is it. So I hope you all have a great Christmas, happy holidays, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!